think by recognizing individuality in the team. I mean, if you probably recognize diverse skills and talents and abilities and personalities even within the team you work. And we want to positively exploit the stuff that people do well and support them where they don't do stuff well, or upskill them or educate them where they don't do well. So recognizing that, let's say, in a driven entrepreneurial team that requires lots of man hours to produce the results that you want, some people are morning people and some people are night owls. So if we stick to the sort of 9 to 5 corporate, you're going to have some people that are just not performing until it's time to go home, and others who get cracking when they get home. So you know what I mean, that if we expand on that, we can find ways of enhancing performance, whether it's entrepreneurial performance in specific tasks. It just makes sense. You know, when you work at home, there were probably many CEOs who thought, oh, there goes all the productivity in the teamwork, and we're not going to have meetings. And in fact, a lot of people have found incredible results out of being able to work at home, not requiring motivation or an eye over you or something. I think that's been very valuable. Reward behaviors in your team that produce real health and real performance. Deadlines produce stress and anxiety in most people, and we've got plenty of evidence from the 70s in the work of Csikszentmihalyi, who coined the term flow state, that we are more creative, we solve problems, we're clearer thinking and better team players when we are not stressed, when we're in a relaxed flow state. And if leaders and teams can cultivate that, I think they'd be surprised as to how the performance metrics increase dramatically.